Hello, people. I hope all of you are doing good and safe. Today, I'll show you how to make pita bread at home. It's very easy to make, and you need very few ingredients to make this. It goes well with almost anything. You could have this as a side to a warm bowl of soup as well. This homemade pita bread is definitely worth a try. Without any further delay, let's get started. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Heat about 1 cup of water. Now take 1 tablespoon of yeast in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. To this, add lukewarm water and stir well. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now take 2 cups maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon oil. You could also add olive oil. Now add the active yeast mixture to this. The yeast mixture is ready and active when you can see bubbles forming. Add this gradually. Add warm water as required. Knead this into a soft dough. You must knead this for at least 7 to 10 minutes to make it soft. Tuck the dough as shown. Cover it with a clean cloth or cling wrap and let it rest for about an hour or until the dough rises. Put the bowl in a warm place. Now divide the dough into small equal portions. Roll the pieces into medium-sized circles, about 1/4 inch thick. Cover it with a clean cloth. Let it rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now place the pita bread on hot tawa on medium heat and let it cook on both the sides for about 2 minutes. The pita bread is ready when it puffs up, forming a pocket. You can cut them into half and add filling of your choice or serve it with hot gravy. You can fill the pita pockets with hummus and falafel. I will leave the recipe link for hummus and falafel in the description below. You can also find the link at the end of this video. I hope you all liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.